Well, the NEC is cancelled. It's over. November 2020 NEC is over. So we bring the NEC to you. We're at the NEC now, setting up. Bramble makes it in, no problem. We're in with the other Fords over here. We've got Fuzz to do the big unveil. Will we find him? Will he be here? Let's go check Fuzz Townshend out. Come on, boy. Hit me, Fuzz, and hit me good. I like this car here that was going to be there. It would have been great, a good show, so we all got here. And what do you find? A COVID cancellation. So we thought we'd make our own NEC car show at Cortina City.
Now, many moons ago, months, maybe even a couple of years ago, I was privy to an ancient Cortina Mk3 that looked like it had been dragged out of a hedge. Well, I think it actually had. It was in a terrible state, but I promised that I would unveil it at a major classic car show. Now, unfortunately, you know what's happened this year. That major classic car show didn't happen, but I'm still going to unveil it because right behind me, take a look at this. Oh yeah, are you ready for this? This is a stonky Cortina Mk3 of the future. You ready? Come on then. Look at that. What an absolute beauty. Now, I grew up with Mk3 Cortinas. My dad bought one, a 1300L four-door. Wouldn't pull the skin off a rice pudding. It was dreadful, but this is a GXL. This is a thing of beauty. And on the inside, it gets even better. Look at that. Bonging away there. There we are. I've got it off. Right, okay. Now, this has got loads of little trinkets in it. Okay, you've got the original style of radio in here, but actually it's connected up to a little card reader here. So there you can have your full sound system. There's a sub underneath the seat, so actually you can listen to glorious 70s music with modern sound. It's also got cruise control. It's got a 4-speed later version gearbox. So we're auto as well. What else has it got? It's just got so many trinkets. Yet, when you sit on the inside of here, you're back in the early 1970s. Look at this faux wood. Only Ford can do faux as well as that. Wonderful stuff. At last, I've got to be the kid sitting in the GXL. I'm not much of a kid anymore, but look, it's a good place to be. And happily, I think I'm going to take this away with me. See you later.